Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable of our lecturer Mr. Genta Sakti and my beloved friends. Firstly, let's give thanks to Allah who has given us some blessing until we can meet together in this seminar. Salawat and salam we don't forget to send for our beloved Prophet Muhammad SAW who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All pleasure is mine to see all of you here today. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rika Kurnianingsih, and I'm here to present my proposal. This presentation is about how can we improve our reading comprehension skill. Before we get into the core of the discussion, we must first know what is meant by reading. Okay, Anderson et al. Defined reading as the process of making meaning from written text. It needs the harmony of a lot of related sources of information. According Wixon, Peters, Weber, and Rober, reading is the process of creating meaning that involves the reader's existing knowledge, the text information, and the reading context. So, from the understanding of some experts, what is meant by reading? Okay, reading is defined as a cognitive process that involves decoding symbols to arrive at meaning. Reading is an active process of constructing meanings of words. Next, reading comprehension. According to RAND Reading Study Group, comprehension is the process of eliciting and making meaning through interaction and involvement with a written language. Keynes and Van Dijk and Keynes define reading comprehension as the process of creating meaning from text. The purpose is to get an understanding of the text rather than to acquire meaning from individual words or sentence. So, what is the meaning of reading comprehension? Yeah, reading comprehension is the ability to process text, understand its meaning, and to integrate with what the reader already knows. Now we will discuss how or what strategies we need in reading comprehension. The first strategy is activating and using background knowledge. In this strategy, readers activate their background knowledge and apply it to aid them comprehend what they are reading. This knowledge consists of individuals' experience with the word together with their concepts for how written text work, involving word recognition, print concepts, word meanings, and how the text is formed. Schema theory is very important in comprehension process. This theory is based on how people from an activated their previous knowledge. This theory explains that as persons learn about the world, they create a series of knowledge structures or schemas. The schemas develop and shift as the persons learn new information through experience and reading. For instance, a child's schema for dog can involve her or his comprehending of the family pet, such as white, furry, and fun. When the child gets more experience with a lot of dogs in different environments, the dog schema develop and can be improved. It can relate to other schema kinds of dogs like colors of dogs, foods that dogs eat, places where they stay when the family is on holiday, and dangerous dogs. Good readers activate their schema when they start reading. This can help them to understand better the text. The next strategy is generating and asking questions. In this strategy, readers ask themselves pertinent questions in reading the text. The strategy says readers to combine information recognize main ideas, and summarize information. Asking appropriate question permits successful readers to concentrate on the most important information of text. Creating relevant question helps good readers to concentrate on difficulties with comprehension and to take the necessary action to solve those problems. Next, making inference. Um, readers, readers assess or draw conclusion from information in a text. In this strategy, readers don't always provide full information about a topic, place, personality, or happening. Instead, they provide information that readers can use to read by making inference that integrate information of the text with their previous knowledge. Through this process, reader can improve their skills to make meaning. Being able to make inference is an important factor for readers' successful reading. Next is predicting. In this strategy, readers are able to gain meaning from a text by making educated guesses. Successful readers apply forecasting to make their existing knowledge to new information from a text to obtain meaning from what they read. Before reading, readers may apply what they know about a reader to forecast what a text will be about. The title of a text can operate memories of text with the same content, permitting them to guess the content of a new text. During reading, successful reader can make prediction about what will occur next or what opinions the reader will offer to support a discussion. Readers try to assess this prediction carelessly and change any prediction that is not approved by the reading. Okay, next is summarizing. Summarizing. Readers combine information in text to elaborate in their own words what the text is about. Summarizing is a significant strategy that allows a reader to remember text rapidly. In this strategy, readers can be aware of text structure or what is significant in a text and how opinions are related to each other. Effective summarizing of explanatory text includes things like condensing the steps in a scientific process, the step of development of an art movement, or the episode that results certain important historical happening. Okay, next is visualizing. A reader can make mental picture of a text to comprehend process they face during reading. This skill shows that a reader perceives a text. Reader who form a mental image as they read are better able to remember what they have read than those who don't image. Visualizing is very important when it is used for narrative text. When readers read narrative text, they can easily understand what is happening by visualizing the place, personalities, or operation of a plan. Um, it can also be used for the reading of expositive text. Reader visualizing steps in a process or stage in happening or forming an image that help them to recall some abstract ideas or significant names. Okay, the last is comprehension monitoring. In this strategy, readers have the ability to know when they comprehend what they read, when they don't perceive, and then to apply suitable strategies to make better their understanding. Successful readers know and check their thought processes as they read. Strategies that successful readers use to improve their understanding are called fix-up strategies. The important point here is that successful readers can make good decisions about which strategies to apply and when to use them. The conclusion of our seminar today is successful readers try to apply numerous skills to grasp a meaning from the text. Readers should be involved in the reading process by using different strategies to monitor their meaning. This seminar emphasized the idea that comprehension processes are influenced by a lot of strategies. All of the strategies work together to construct the meaning process easily and effectively. Okay, that's all of me about how can we improve our reading comprehension skill. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.